So, I just bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max today. I was gonna wait until the iPhone 13 came out, but my current phone, which is iPhone X, was having camera issues. And it's been kind of laggy lately, so I figured I'd just go ahead and go get a new one. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB gold. It was $1,180 after taxes and everything. It's a bit bigger than this phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna see if I can find my old box. This isn't the box to my iPhone X, but it is the box to my iPhone 6S. As you can see, the boxes are different. The 12 is smaller, it's thinner, but longer. Of course, it's longer because it's a much bigger phone. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. There it is. All it comes with is the cord cable and some instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. Yeah, ooh, it's a lot boxy. It's really more thicker than my X. It's huge. This phone is huge. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. I'm gonna load it. It's got 3 cameras. It's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show the size comparison from the X to the 12. Okay, so I've got the iPhone 12 set up. It's pretty nice, actually. The camera on it is super detailed. As you can see, it's really good compared to my now previous phone. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I got the case on it now. Yeah, oop, didn't need to open that out. But yeah, pretty nice actually. I kind of like it.